Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the TV code shown on the screen. This is the unique identifier you'll remove. Once done, sign into the service on your phone or PC, open account or devices, and locate that code. You need account credentials and permission to manage linked devices, so make sure you have them. If the code isn't listed, refresh devices or regenerate the TV pairing code on the TV. These steps reveal the entry you will remove next. You now remove the linked TV entry. Navigate to Account, then Devices or Linked TVs, and scan the list for the TV code you confirmed. Once found, click Remove, Sign Out, or Unlink and confirm the action when prompted. This severs the authorization token. Make sure to wait. Changes can take up to 60 seconds to propagate across servers. If the TV is still signed in, force a refresh on the TV app or reboot the device to clear cached credentials. You finish by verifying the TV now shows a pairing or sign-in prompt. This confirms unlinking. If the TV still appears linked, revoke all active sessions from account security or change your password to invalidate tokens. Make sure to update any other devices you still use. As a troubleshooting tip, reboot the TV and clear the app data or reinstall the app. This forces the app to request a fresh login, which resolves most remaining linkage issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.